How I helped 100 professionals over 40 master digital marketing without feeling overwhelmed. But here's what's crazy. They did it faster than people half their age. So here's what happened. I kept meeting these incredible professionals in their 40s and 50s who felt completely lost in the digital world. They tried YouTube tutorials, generic courses, even those expensive boot camps. Nothing worked. They felt embarrassed, asking basic questions, and frustrated watching younger colleagues breeze through stuff they couldn't figure out. But then I noticed something wild when I started teaching them differently, breaking things down step by step, using real business examples instead of tech jargon. They actually learned faster than the 25-year-olds in my other programs. Here's why this blew my mind. These professionals brought decades of business experience. They understood customer psychology, sales cycles, and what actually drives results. They just needed someone to translate the digital tools into a language that made sense. The results were insane. Sarah, a 47-year-old sales manager, went from being afraid of Facebook ads to running campaigns that brought in $50,000 in new business. In her first 90 days, Mike, 52, was worried about being replaced at his marketing job. Now he's the go-to digital expert on his team. But here's the craziest part. Once they got confident with the basics, they started innovating in ways the younger crowd never thought of. They combined old-school relationship building with new digital tools and created marketing strategies that were absolutely brilliant. Think about it. While everyone's focused on teaching digital marketing to 20-somethings, there's this massive group of experienced professionals who just need the right approach. They have the business wisdom, the work ethic, the network. They just needed someone to show them the digital piece, without the overwhelm. By 2025, companies are going to realize that digital marketing isn't just about knowing the latest app. It's about understanding people and business strategy. And guess who's going to dominate that space? The question is, are you going to be one of the professionals who master this now, or are you going to keep watching from the sidelines, while others transform their careers? If you're ready to stop watching and start leading, check out the link in the description. That's where you'll find the same system they used to build real digital marketing skills, without the confusion or tech stress. It worked for them. It can work for you too.